just to get done. Did you just...
Hey, Mark. Get
Do
set.
that. Go.
Let go.
He's dumbfounded.
He's dumbfounded?
Do you know
This
what that
is from Daddy Larry.
Fireman.
Fireman clothes.
Look at it, though.
Got the hat, the boots, the pants, the jacket.
You ready to try them on?
You gotta do
Oh,
it.
he's got to do the hat first.
You got
Regular pants?
Yes, you have to.
Yeah. Okay,
Ready?
get over here. You do like Daddy
showed
showed you.
How to do it.
You gotta
Let me
stick
hold
your
you up.
feetsies in.
Grab them. Grab them.
Grab them.
Kayla is almost 5. Brooke is
Look at you.
Come on, stick them in. Pull them up. Pull them up. Put them over
Look
you.
at how cute.
Shoulders.
Over shoulders.
There you go, Boogie.
Look at that.
Hold this, Mama. It's not that big either. All right, Brad, get the jacket.
On now.
Make sure he don't fall, Kevin.
Oh, he's so cute, Larry. He's so cute. Huh? Oh, it's
Just right at him and tell me when it goes
It's
off.
on.
Hold on.